Is this too high? Yep. Okay, here's your morning.
Our mission is to engage with organizations and individuals to become active participants in the emerging technology fields. We have active workstations. The students that come into the space are able to jump right into our workstations and get to work on what it means to create VR or emerging technology content. The students that are working on 2D mediums, TecnoLatinx comes on board and exposes them now to these emerging technologies, how to expand their existing canvas of tools and skills.
It's very expensive hardware, and so by having an inventory available, our students can not just take the class, but actually come back and create.
Whether it's for content creation with virtual reality or augmented reality tools, they have access to the world, really.
We want to expand and amplify our efforts by creating this to be the national model that could be used for communities that don't have access to tens of thousands of dollars.
It's about holding space for folks that aren't traditionally included in such high-tech and creative industries. So it exists not just to be in the space and be its own content creation engine, it exists